Here's a great one for you. Published in the Chicago Tribune on December 5th, lies about abortion have dictated health policy. The authors, who are apparently Notre Dame professors, complain that the public has been misled for decades about abortion, and it has made them think abortion is worse than it is. The authors then completely unironically go on to say a bunch of totally false things about abortion. Now, some of the false things they say are false in complicated ways, like it would depend on how you are interpreting a lot of different factors, and I could see how someone would come to that conclusion even if I think it's wrong. But other false things they say are false in very simple ways. Like if you did any research at all, you would know that what you're saying is definitely not true. So here's a great start. The first lie is that abortion bans prevent abortion. They do not. They absolutely do. You can go here to see our citations, but there is a lot of research over decades in our country and around the world that shows that abortion restrictions definitely significantly reduce abortion. And here's an article by a prominent abortion rights proponent and well-known pro-choice researcher talking about how she really wishes people would stop saying that abortion bans don't reduce abortion, because they do. But it actually gets even worse than that. They go on to claim that criminalizing abortion increases abortion rates and unintended pregnancy rates. What do they cite to show that's true? What research or evidence do they have? Nothing. They cite nothing, because that's not true. So you can go to this part of our website to see a whole bunch of research showing that actually abortion restrictions are associated with lower unintended pregnancy rates because they're associated with greater uptake of contraception and otherwise more cautious behavior when it comes to sex, because there are a lot of people who are going to be more cautious if they realize they don't have abortion as a backup plan. Lie number 2, abortion kills babies. And then this is followed by talking about how abortion kills embryos, and embryos aren't babies. This isn't a fact check. This is just an opinion. The debate isn't about whether abortion kills anything. It's about whether what abortion kills are valuable human beings and why or why not. But if we want to get into etymology, embryo just means fetus, and child just refers to fetus or unborn in addition to newly born children. But of course, here is my favorite. The truth is that for the 1% or less of people who need abortions at or after 21 weeks of gestation, it is almost always a matter of life or death, and the pregnancy was very much wanted. What did they cite, I wonder, to show that it is almost always a life or death situation for a very wanted pregnancy? Nothing. They cited nothing, because there's nothing to cite, because that's totally untrue. If you follow Secular Prolife's channel at all, you know we've talked about this myth a lot, the idea that later abortions are almost always medically indicated. There is zero research to show that is true, and what research there is points in the opposite direction. You can go to this part of our website to see all of that research, or you can just read this one article. If the Chicago Tribune is going to publish an article complaining about misinformation about abortion, maybe they could, I don't know, fact check it